It's okay. We just have to be super quiet. Hey, question.
One, two, prod is coming for you.
Coming to. Show me how you're gonna smile for picture me.
Please.
All right.
Red button, please.
All right. Thank you. Oh, I'll give you $20 if you don't tell. Now get out.
Okay.
Hoje a vida mudou. E hoje eu não quero mais pegar você. Sabe por quê? Porque é sua amiga eu vou pegar e laraiaraia. Tua cara, cada biscata,
Is it good? Is it good? Is it good, goddammit? Is it good?
Every other day I'm wondering what's a human being gonna be like? What's a way to just be comfortable? Every other day I'm wondering what's a human being gonna be like? What's a way to just be comfortable?
Every day, it's so fun to play when you're in the hay or when you go and stay.
If you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Peppa? Peppa?
Okay, that's the works. Add that. Boom, bop, and there you go, sir.
Screaming in public restrooms, please. Screaming in public restrooms, please.
That's fine, I'll turn it back up. Why is that fucking cat so cute, actually?
You're in the pool swimming?
You're relaxed.
What the fuck was that?
What you listening to, son?
I don't think you like it.
Well, why not? I like this new generation of music.
Your mom hits you with a Chromebook charger in the back of the head at full speed, max.
You try to straighten your motherfucking hair, bitch? It coils back like the Roblox coil sound, bitch.
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike, Max. Dustin, Lucas, Will. Dustin,
Violet, look in that room.
What?
That's the room we gotta serve them in?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh my god. Oh, wait, I'm helping you. I'm helping you. I helped you. I helped you.
Everyone equip healing potions to the hotbar if you haven't already. Kyle, go ahead and cast Arcane Brilliance to raise our intelligence. Hang on, I'm chaining my fire spells for max range. Nice. Stan, what enchantment does your Cloak of the Tiger have? Plus 15 agility? Give the cloak to Kenny, he needs the agility boost for bow attacks.
Nobody else walking around this doctor's office. Okay, well, like, what? Started a ritual? Really? Really? Why? You had no reason.
Oh, and it takes away sanity.
Why? Like, why are you starting a ritual? You had no reason to do this, bro.
So what now?
Oh, there's still one.
Oh, one more candle.
The ritual? Yeah. What the hell? What the hell is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why does it say word? Help me! Help me! Violet! Violet! Close it! Oh, close the door! Close it! Close it!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Be quiet.
Oh my gosh! It's an anomaly! It's an anomaly! Violet! Violet! Get back over here! Violet!
I completed the open heart surgery. I did it.
Yeah, and Xander's all here jolly doing open heart surgery. He almost got killed.
Oh my god, they love him. Isn't he perfect?
You can be my queen, now I'll show you how I work it. How I work it. How I work it. How I work it.
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
What the fuck? Why is there a little bit of this, a little bit of that? Get the fuck out of here. There's everything in room 4, bruh. Oh my goodness. Like, what the fuck is that? Looking at me weird. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Everything seems fine. Room 2? It's okay. Never mind. I fucking knew. I literally said it out loud, bro.
On the right, bro.
Yeah, bitch.
Damn. Yo,
Bitch.
AnimalHospital.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, actually. Oh my goodness.
What?
There's a
Okay.
stalker right here.
Okay. Well, the lights are
You
flickering.
can see it?
No. Oh, there he is.
That was so scary.
I saw that.
Alright, I'm assuming IV. Yeah.
It always starts with an IV. Medkit, you got it. Run! Come here, bitch!
Listen.
You got it. Get it. Go get it. Go
Wait,
get
there's
it.
one behind you. There's one behind you.
Yeah, bitch. Anyways.
Heart, you? Because like they're like loyal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, clear the candles! Clear the candles! Clear the candles!
I'm clearing.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Because on your screen.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Please, nothing here.
Nothing's here, bro.
Just doing your stuff, bro. The 360s.
What the fuck is that?
What?
Okay.
Oh. So folded.
Jesus Christ. I'm getting out of here. Yeah, you better get out of here. The fuck?
I'm posting this on my TikTok. I have no idea who this man is. He is lying. I have no idea who this man is. I'm posting this on every platform ever.
YouTuber. I'm a very popular YouTuber, and everyone on YouTube's gonna see this, even including the creator of Lemming, and even including the creator of this game. So he will ban you. So this guy, yeah, his name is Fishlegs. His name is Fishlegs. He's at the top. His ID is 112435.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be jumping over a speeding Lambo, and if I survive, you have to like and subscribe. Alright, let's go!
Oh, here's the guy who wants his lick back. Hello, friend. Can I get another coffee? I didn't give you one in the first place. I'm not giving you crap.
Hi, yeah, here,
no, don't give him. No, don't give it to him. Oh. Yes. I have real beef with you, Barney. Hi. Why? Can you go away? Can we just close it on him? Like, he's gonna leave.
You could go for it.
Bye. Oh, here comes the damn. Lock the doors. Nobody get the coffee. Can I bother you with the scalpel? We need that for surgery.
Why does this guy just like politely rob us?
Hold on.
Like, oh, he's back, bro. I don't have coffee for you. I'm sorry, I don't have coffee.
I need the fucking coffee. This guy doesn't work here. Walks in every 30 minutes.
Wait, why are you?
Could you spare me some coffee?
Wait, hold on. It's not coffee. It's not
why
coffee.
Is he in the? I need you to let me hide with you for a bit.
What?
What?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay, sure.
No.
Come in. Oh my. Oh, that's the cops. Wait, close the door. Close the door. Close the shutters. We're currently tracking. Whoa! A dangerous serial killer. This is his picture. Have you seen him?
Wait, what? Yo, Barney. Barney.
Oh my God, around. Friends do not turn each other's. Okay, friends don't hold. Yo, Barney.
I want coffee.
Yeah, I wanted to.
Why is Barney here?
Because he's a freaking serial killer. Take this suitcase as a token, bro. What is in the suitcase? I'm accepting the gift. Oh, a new coffee machine.